Well, the Zippo truck stopped by again yesterday, so let's see what this guy brought me. Now this Zippo came in the regular Zippo black box, and the label on it says Candy Apple Red, so it's a colorful one. Nothing collectible about the box. So here's the Candy Apple Red Zippo. This is a really good one for maybe a good EDC Zippo. Does not take fingerprints real easy. I can't make a fingerprint on this one. It's on the steel body, so it has a pretty good sound. Lights up nice. And this one was made in, looks like K of 13, made in Bradford, PA. So that is the Candy Apple Red Zippo. Really nice addition to my red section, and I'm going to put it right over here for now. I do have quite a few red ones, and these are a few of my better ones. Red Buffalo is getting hard to find, and the Vampire Teeth, and of course the Skulls. They're all really nice red ones. So the red Zippos deserve just a little cowbell, fist bump.